Let's see how to remove text box background in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. So first, let's go ahead and insert our text box. Click on the Insert tab. Now click on Text Box and click on Simple Text Box. And as you can see, currently, our text box has a white background. Now let's say that we want to remove this white background and simply have our text. And to do that, make sure that you click on text box, and that should direct you to the Shape Format tab up here. And from here, click on Shape Fill and click on No Fill right there. Now let's go ahead and change our font color. And as you can see, we now have a transparent background and only our text can be seen. And that is how you can remove a text box color background in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.